Google Drive is free storage that is given you when you create a Google account. Just like OneDrive, among other options, Google Drive has a web interface and a desktop app to manage your free storage. At the time of making this video, you get 15 free gigs of storage, as you can see here. In this video, I am showing you the desktop app aspect of the Google Drive. So let's start from the beginning.
Please subscribe.
To download the desktop app, browse to this website. Click Settings and then Get Drive for Desktop. Be sure to read all the promotional material here and click here to start the download. Once the download is complete, click here to start the installation. By the way, if you accidentally close this window, you can open it by holding Ctrl and pressing J. Checking this will add the Google Drive shortcut to your desktop, and checking this will add desktop shortcuts to other Google tools. Click Install to proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, click Close. Now, let's see what we got after the installation. Hey, they promised a desktop shortcut, but there's nothing here. Let me reveal my desktop icons to actually see them. To show or hide your desktop icons, right-click the desktop, hover over View, and check or uncheck the Show Desktop Icons option. So here's what you get after the installation. A shortcut to Google Drive as promised, and shortcuts to other Google tools, as promised. When you open File Explorer, you'll see a new Drive letter. As expected, it is mapped to the letter G. Let me know in the comments below if you figure out why this specific letter was chosen. Digging into the folders on this drive will display the files you currently have on Google Drive. Although I am not showing it to you, you can freely create, edit and delete files on this drive. They will automatically be synced to the cloud. You also get a system tray icon here. Clicking it will reveal some interesting options. This shows the recent activity of files on your drive. When notifications appear, they will be shown here. Clicking this will show additional options. This allows you to add folders on your computer to sync with Google Drive, and this shows you which folders are currently syncing. Clicking this allows you to choose one of the following important options. Choosing this will save you disk space on your local drive. All the files will be kept on Google Drive and downloaded to your local drive when you use them. This option will keep all the files on your local drive and on Google Drive. This way, the files will be accessible slightly faster, but will consume more disk space on your local drive. Clicking this reveals additional options. Checking this will allow you to see if other people are editing a shared Microsoft Office file. This allows you to choose a different drive letter for Google Drive, or click this to choose a local folder instead. Quick Access is this section here. When this is checked, Google Drive will appear in it. This section refers to your photos. You can choose this to reduce the photo quality and have more space to save more photos, or this to keep the original quality. I personally would never choose this option. If you do that, you might regret it in the future. Here you can choose whether to upload screenshots and RAW files. Uncheck this if you do not want Google Drive to be launched on System Startup next time you restart your computer. This shows the default location of the cached files. You can change this folder by clicking here. Use this section to configure a proxy, this section to limit the download and the upload rates, and this one to manage your notification preferences. If you close this window, click the tray icon, click here, and then click this, you will see information regarding your offline files. Clicking this will display any errors that might occur while using Google Drive. Other items in this menu are pause the syncing of files to the drive, display information on this application, get help, send feedback, and quit the application. When you open your Google Drive and browse your files, you'll see these cloud icons. These indicate that these files are only available online. They are not saved on your local drive. To have a file available offline, right-click it, click here, hover over Offline Access, and click this. The icon on the file will change to indicate that this file is available on your local drive as well as Google Drive. And finally, there are 3 additional shortcut tools in this app that I want to show you. If you click the tray icon and then click your email here, you'll see a screen with these additional icons. This will open the web version of Google Drive. This will open Google Photos, and this will open the local drive. I hope you found some useful information in this video, and if you did, you should definitely watch this video next.